The Immolator is a flamethrower tank that is used exclusively by the Orders Militant of the Adeptus Sororitas as a transport and heavy support vehicle. The Immolator is a variant of the common Rhino APC chassis, with the weapon system mounted on the vehicle's roof. Unlike the Razorback used by the Space Marines, which uses a remote-controlled weapon system, the Immolator needs a battle system to control the weapon directly. The Immolator is usually armed with twin-linked heavy flamers, but can be armed with other weapons as well. The tank is capable of transporting a squad of up to 6 members of the Sisterhood into battle, and unlike the Rhino, the Immolator is capable of fighting alongside the Sisters as heavy infantry support. The Immolator is used slightly better armoured than the basic Rhino. The Immolator's doors and hashes are often cast to include the Order's symbol of the fleur-de-lis, the icon of the Adeptus Sororitas. These casts are taken from the Great Covenant Sanctorum and Covenant Prioris on Ophela 7 and Terra. Though ancient contracts with the Adeptus Mechanicus, the Immolator is built exclusively for the Adeptus Ministratum and is used by the Sisters of Battle. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.